Today we are gonna, in the beginning I started with Greek and then I thought, oh my God, this is gonna be in English. So let's get started for the topic of the day, for the live of the day, guys. I just finished a 4-hour back testing for my trading. Oh, okay, give me 1 second. There is poor connection. I don't know, last couple of days my internet here in the condo is not very good, but type me 111 in the chat if you're seeing me clearly, if the quality is good. Type me 111 if the quality is good. You know, this happens when you get live. Now, today I want to discuss 3 steps to get ahead with your weekend. 3 steps to go ahead of other people in the weekends, because what I believe weekends, not what I believe, how I feel about weekends for me are like the bonus, the way that you can do more and become better than the people that are doing what you do, but you know, they're not so committed. And I'm gonna share with you today 3 steps that I'm doing every single weekend to get ahead of my competition, if you want to call it that way. Even though, you know, like, I'm not believing in competition, I'm believing in creation. Now, step number 1, I don't know if you're on Instagram, it says pause due to poor connection. I hope it is okay. Now, step number 1, if you are really committed and really want to become the best on what you're doing, step number 1, backtest. Now, you may be like, if you're not into trading, you may be like, Irago, I'm not into trading, how can I backtest? I'm gonna tell you, I have multiple businesses, I'm into ads, learning, practicing, into crypto, into trading. You can backtest on whatever you're doing. For example, if you're in ads, you will backtest previous ads, interest, audiences, etc. If you're in leadership, you will backtest how you handled different situations with your leadership abilities. If you're in trading, of course, you will backtest your trading strategy with crypto, your investments and everything. The way that I see it on weekends, step number 1, we should all backtest all the areas of our lives in order to improve. Other word for backtesting is also reviewing. You know, in trading is 2 different things, but if you're in other area, backtesting and reviewing, it may be the same activity. And it's very important going back, seeing what you could do better, seeing what you've done well, so you can duplicate and improve. Step number 2 is plan your week ahead. Schedule any appointments you may be having on your week. Schedule the to-dos you're gonna do in your week that will get you closer to your goals. So when I always talk about to-do list, I'm talking about productive activities, if that makes sense, something that gets you closer to your goals. For example, in trading, productive is backtesting. In business building is prospecting, presenting, following up, you know. So prepare your numbers, prepare your plan up front for the week, and also review how you've done last week. For example, me this week, I focused more on my ads, I focused more on my backtesting. I didn't build so much on my business. Guess what? Next week, I'm gonna focus more on increasing my numbers. And step number 3, recharge. Now, in the weekends, me personally, I allow myself to sleep in. Now, what do I mean sleep in? I allow myself to give fuel to my body by sleeping more and better. What do I mean by better? I usually sleep earlier on weekend nights. Number 2, I usually sleep more on weekend nights. Now, if you're partying all night, you're doing a disservice to yourself. Because the way that I see it, in weekends, it's stupid to party, number 1, for me. Now, party once in a month or once in a quarter, fair enough. But partying every weekend, for me, is stupid. Why? What are you celebrating for? If you're not on the level you want to be, you should sleep well, sleep early so you can wake up the next day, back test, prepare for your week, and get ahead of your competition. And of course, invest some time with your loved ones, either a call or meet them, because probably throughout the week you don't do so much. And this is how I prepare and how I get ahead in my weekends. Because again, I'm talking to the people that they want to change their lives, they want to change the world. So if it sounds aggressive, it means that this is not for you. Weekends for me are a blessing, not to party, not to sleep late, not to smoke or to drink, but to properly recharge yourself. I love that I can sleep so early on, not so, I mean, if in weekdays, okay, I may sleep around 12 a.m. In weekends, I will sleep 10 to 11 p.m., but it's still earlier. And also I sleep 8-9 hours every night on weekends to recharge. But I rarely party because I love what I do. You know, like we've started our travel vlog with my girlfriend. Literally, my passion right now is our business. Trading, you trade 1 hour every day, study 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day, you're done for the week, for the day. So if you want to get on that level, you should stop partying or at least reduce how much you party. If you repeat these 3 steps on a long period of time, consistently and persistently, in the end of the year, in the end of the 5 years, you will be way ahead of your competition, way ahead in your life, and way closer to your goals and dreams. Guys, thank you so much that you were with me. If you're from Cyprus and Greece this beautiful morning, if you're from Thailand, Asia, in this beautiful, I don't know how you call it, middle of the day, and plan, backtest, sleep well, and prepare for the new week. Guys, God bless you. Thank you so much. Hi Gordon, hi Barnabas, hi Chrysostomos, Mina, Yorgo, Raul. If you just joined on this live, watch the replay, because this replay, this live can get you ahead in your life if you apply it. God bless you and see you at the top.